So if you want to take this photo and make it way better like this, or maybe take this one and just make it the next level like this one, I have the website that can help you with it. So go to your browser and go to this website, Jump Story, and they have all kinds of pictures and videos, but they also have a feature that is free removable background. So over here you can find it, and let's try one. So this is the feature over here. You can drag your image from your computer. I'm choosing this one for just for the example. This is Jennifer Lopez, and by just clicking remove background we will get really nice photo. So let's see. And as you can see, it removed background, and then you can download it and you will have it on your computer. Let's save it, and this is the final result. So thank you so much. I hope it helps you. I will link this website down in the descriptions, and thank you so much. Please consider to subscribe and like this video, and let's see you again. Bye.